Hello students, how are you? Today I would like to tell you about the chapter Ghat of the Only World. See, this chapter is talking about two very important characters. The one is Aga Shahid Ali, who cannot be considered as a nationalist poet, rather he can be considered as a national poet because he is talking about his land, his country. And the second one is the character of Amitabh Ghosh, one of the prominent, eminent and a marvelous writer of English literature, and he had been given a lot of recognition through his novel The Shadow Line. So I would not like to tell you about these things in detail. So let's talk about the chapter. It is about Shahid Ali, and so in the very beginning, Shahid Ali was just giving this confirmation to his friend Amitabh Ghosh on 25th April 2001 that he'll be gonna be died. So he had got an insight that he'll be died one day. So then we had seen that Amitabh Ghosh was not accepting this thing, but Shahid Ali know that since he was suffering from cancer and he is under treatment for past 14 months, therefore he is having this recognition inside his mind that he'll not be survive for more of the time. But in the meantime, we had seen that both of them are having some similarities in their character. Both of them love Rogan Ghosh. It is a sort of meat, and both of them are having a great passion for Roshana Begum and Kishore Kumar. So they are the lovers of classical music, and both of them like the old Bombay style movies. Both of them are having the indifferent attitude for cricket, and both of them are having the poetic taste, and they always like to express themselves through their you can say artistic work. So here we have seen that Shahid was a very social person, a very jolly person who always enjoy things, and there is always a sort of mela which is being taken place in his house, which is depicting that he is such an extrovert person and he just want to enjoy his life in its own way. And Shahid was really a famous and a really prolific writer. In the meantime, we had also seen that he was having a great, splendid skills for cooking also. So, though he was suffering from cancer and afterward it became a tumor, but still he was guiding his uh, friends whosoever are working there in the kitchen regarding the Rogan Ghosh. Now he is saying that now add dahi, now add these things. So it is depicting that he is really having a great passion for food. And here we have seen that Shahid was a really sharp guy and who is having a great skill, and that's why there is a specific word which is used here, that is repartee. So repartee word means a person who is really very expressive, who can express himself in a very jolly way, in a very straightforward way. So here we had seen this quality of Shahid Ali. And Shahid was really a brilliant teacher. He taught at many colleges and universities in USA, and this is one of the things which is exhibiting that he is having a great passion to share the knowledge. But there are some other things. Shahid Ali hated violence and counter violence, which is happening in Kashmir at that time. Kashmir was the central theme of his poetry. So whenever he is writing any of the poem, he is just talking about the Kashmiris, the Kashmiri Pandits, and he is having such a secular faith. See, we can't call him a person who is having the Muslim belief, rather he is having a soft corner for Hindus also. That's why we had seen that during his childhood he just desired from his parents to make a small temple for him, and it is really very good, and it is depicting that he is having a soft corner for the Kashmiri Pandit. And that's why in his poem The Country Without Post Office, he was also talking about those Kashmiri Pandit who were being discarded from their places. And now let's talk about Shahid and his family. So we know that Shahid is not living in Kashmir. He had migrated to America. His brother Iqbal and his two sisters Hannah and Samitha both were there. His parents lived in Srinagar. He spent the summer months with them every year. So कहने का मतलब he is spending the summer month with his parents. And Later on, we had seen his story in America and how he was living in Manhattan, and then how he has decided to be there, and certain blackouts he had got. He had gone under a lot of tests. After getting to the test, he just come to know that the brain tumor was now at the terrible state. So then he had decided that he had to go to Brooklyn, which was close to his youngest sister Samita. Now, this decision was taken by him because he know that he needs some sort of help, and that help he can't get if he'll be far from his near and dear ones. So that is the reason he just want to go there. And now, thereafter, we had seen that he lived on the 7th floor of a newly renowned building. The apartment was quite airy and things were very really very good there, and it is near to poet's house also. It is near to Amitabh Ghosh's house also. And later on, we just talk about Amitabh Ghosh and Shahid Ali, or how Amitabh Ghosh and Shahid Ali was having such a deep bondage, and there are some of the common things which they were having, but still they don't know about it. For instance, both of them had done their study from Delhi University, but they had not met. So this is one of the point which is really very surprising. And since then, we just come to know that they are having common friend circle. They have several conversations on the phone in 1998 and 1999, and even met a couple of times, but they were no more than acquaintance until Shahid moved to Brooklyn. Means when he moved to Brooklyn, that was a specific point when their friendship become too much deep, and that was a point where Amitabh Ghosh started understanding him. So you have already heard about it that in the beginning, Shahid Ali was asking from Amitabh Ghosh to write something about him. So this was something you can say a sort of demand which he was putting from his friend, because he is quite clear about it that he is not be able to survive anymore. And you can say that this is just a sort of attachment Shahid Ali was having with Amitabh Ghosh. And being a beautiful writer, being a poet and a great scholar, Amitabh Ghosh just tried to avoid writing about the topics of death. But still, anyhow, he had decided to write on it. He had given his words and he fulfilled it. That's why we are reading this chapter, The Heart of the Only World. So, I'm having some of the points related to the character of Amitabh Ghosh and related to the character of Shahid Ali. So, Amitabh Ghosh was really a very sensitive guy, whereas Shahid Ali was really a very jolly fellow, full of energy, very expressive, extrovert, and always happy to serve others. So he was really very social, amicable, having a lot of friends in America as well as India, like the classical music, and both of them are having the indifferent attitude for political situations, and both of them avoid to write something about the political scenario. But still, anyhow, both of them were involved to write something about political situation unwillingly, not willingly. So that's why in the poem Country Without Post Office, he was talking about the political scenario of India at that time. So in the end, we had seen that how Shahid Ali was met with his death. He died peacefully on December 8, 2001 at 2 a.m. See, earlier we had already known that Shahid Ali had realized about it that he is not having much of the time. So when he talked him, then he was just telling him that he is not having much of the time. So without giving any prior information, without giving any hello, hi, how are you, etc. things, he just gave him a clear-cut message to his friend Amitabh Ghosh that he is not having much of the time. So he had just given the exact confirmation to him that now he is having very less time. So he is just talking about all those things, and in the end we had seen that he was died peacefully. So the story is giving us this message that it can happen that the life will be odd with us, but if we are having the right perspective of life, if we are accepting the life as it is, then we will be able to enjoy it. So same message Shahid Ali had given through his enactments, through his this worldly life. So I would like to appreciate the beautiful way he had shown for living the life. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll try to give you some other audios regarding this chapter if you will be showing some of your desire regarding it. Thank you very much.